Do you want to speak English confidently?
Today's story will show you how easy and fun learning English can be.
Hello, friends.
Welcome back.
This is Simple English Lab.
We are happy you are here.
Please subscribe
Please like.
and please share.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Daniel, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Today's topic is very useful.
What is the topic?
The topic is talk about food in English. Daniel, look at all the colors. So many fresh fruits.
Emma, it smells amazing here. Apples, oranges, bananas.
I want to try a mango. Ripe, sweet, juicy.
Great choice. I'll take some strawberries. Red, fresh, perfect.
And the bakery. Look at the bread, croissants, buns.
I feel like a small croissant, maybe with some jam.
Perfect. Do you usually come to food markets?
Sometimes, I like seeing fresh food, talking to vendors, discovering new things.
Me too. And slow walking. Choosing foods carefully makes it enjoyable.
Yes, you notice the colors, the smell, the textures. It's relaxing.
Shall we grab some vegetables too? Tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers,
Good idea. Healthy and simple, easy to cook later.
and drinks, fresh juice, or maybe coconut water.
I'll have fresh orange juice. Very refreshing.
Perfect. Eating healthy, talking slowly. Enjoying the morning makes a great start to the day.
I agree. And we could practice our English. Talk about food. Describe tastes, colors, textures.
Yes, vocabulary, conversation, all while enjoying real food.
That's the best way. Learning naturally, slowly, and happily.
Daniel, the park is beautiful today. Perfect for lunch.
Emma, the cafe looks nice. Let's sit outside.
I feel like a sandwich. Maybe chicken, lettuce, tomato. Simple.
Good choice. I want a salad, grilled vegetables, maybe some cheese.
Drinks, water, or iced tea.
I'll have iced tea, refreshing, complements the food, not too often. Maybe once a week, sometimes with friends.
Same here, it feels special. A treat. And a chance to relax.
Exactly. Slow meals, observing people, enjoying nature. Great combination.
And snacks, a small pastry or fruit. After lunch is nice.
Yes, nibbling slowly, enjoying every bite. It's relaxing.
So, today we have sandwiches. Salad, iced tea, maybe a small dessert.
Perfect. Simple, healthy, enjoyable. Conversation flowing naturally.
Food, company, slow eating, and calm surroundings. That's happiness.
Couldn't agree more. This is the best kind of lunch.
Daniel, look at the sunset. So beautiful.
Yes, Emma. Peaceful. Perfect for dinner.
I want seafood tonight. Grilled fish, shrimp,
Sounds perfect. Lemon on the fish and a side salad.
salad with lettuce, tomato, cucumber. Simple, healthy.
Shall we order drinks?
Yes, water for me, and a little lemonade.
Water for me too. Maybe small iced tea.
So, what do you usually eat for dinner at the beach?
Light meals, fish, vegetables. Sometimes pasta. Satisfying.
Same here. Soup is nice too. Vegetable or tomato soup. Comfort food.
Yes. Healthy and comforting.
And desserts? Small chocolate or fruit.
Fruit, light, refreshing, perfect.
Wave sound makes food taste better.
Slow meals, slow conversation. Enjoying every moment. Emma, look at these stalls. Food smells amazing.
So many options, sweet, salty, everything.
I want pretzels. Small snack. Enjoy slowly.
I want fruit. Fresh berries, a cup of berries.
Drinks, lemonade, iced tea,
Lemonade, refreshing.
festivals, new tastes, new experiences, fun conversations.
Small snacks, easy to eat. Enjoy while walking.
Nibbling slowly, enjoying each bite.
Music makes food taste better. Lively atmosphere.
True, variety, exciting. Good for talking about food.
Candy stall. Colorful, tempting.
One small treat, chocolate, Balance important.
Small treat, healthy food too, fruits, vegetables.
Festivals, slow eating, fun, learning about foods.
Daniel, perfect day for picnic.
Sun, breeze, food ready, perfect.
I brought sandwiches, fresh fruit, lemonade.
I brought small salad, grilled chicken, cheese.
Let's sit under tree, enjoy meal slowly.
Eating slowly, conversation, better taste, relaxing. Light food, salad, pasta, easy to carry, tasty.
Drinks, water, juice keeps hydrated.
Outdoor meals, small snacks, slow eating, conversation, all connected.
Food, friends, nature, happiness.
Exactly. Let's enjoy each bite. Relax. Fun together. Emma, cozy place, perfect for dinner.
Quiet, conversation easy. I love it.
What do you want tonight?
Pasta, spaghetti, tomato sauce, cheese,
Grilled fish, vegetables, simple, healthy,
drinks, water, herbal tea.
iced tea, refreshing.
Slow meal, talk about day, practice English, enjoy food.
Slow eating, slow talking, everything enjoyable.
Dessert, small chocolate cake or fruit. Finish perfectly.
Fruit, sweet, light, refreshing.
Food, conversation, calm surroundings. Together, happiness.
Slow meals. Notice flavors, textures, enjoy moment.
Dinner, drinks, dessert, conversation. Perfect evening.
Cheers to slow meals, enjoyable food, and friendship.
A beautiful day, Daniel. The lake is calm and the air feels fresh.
Yes, Emma, perfect for a picnic. I'm glad we brought food.
Let's see what's inside the basket. I packed sandwiches,
Nice. What kind of sandwiches?
simple ones. Bread with cheese, lettuce, and tomato.
Healthy and tasty. I like that.
I also brought some fruits, apples, grapes, and bananas.
Fruits are perfect for picnics. Easy to eat, no mess.
Exactly. And for drinks, I have orange juice and water.
Good choice. Orange juice is refreshing.
What about you? Did you bring something?
Yes, I made some cookies yesterday. Chocolate chip.
Wow, homemade cookies. That's amazing.
Yes, they're simple, but sweet. I hope you like them.
I'm sure I will. Cookies are always welcome.
Picnics make food taste even better. Sitting outside, near nature.
True, the sound of birds, the gentle wind. It feels peaceful.
And when you eat slowly, you really enjoy every bite.
That's right. Food is not only about taste, it's also about the moment.
I agree. This moment feels special.
So, sandwich first, then fruits, then cookies.
Perfect order. And juice in between.
Great, let's start. Here's your sandwich.
Thank you. Simple, but delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Fresh ingredients always make food better.
Yes, and later, we can take a short walk by the lake.
Good idea. Walking after food is healthy too,
Exactly. So today, we eat, we talk, we walk.
and we make memories.
Yes, Emma, food and friendship, always a perfect match.